Alden Richard update, and nasa event si Alden na Magnolia, yung 100 years anniversary. Kaya pa nga yung outfit ni Alden, oh. In-interview pa nga si Alden dyan. Kasama niya dyan sila Marian Rivera,
Part of this brand.
si Julian Santos.
Yung campaigns ko are way overdone because 5 years since 2015 I've been doing campaigns for Magnolia. You can really tell from the storyboards and how it's laid out na everything came from the heart. Pinag-isipan siya, and the campaign team and of course Sir Elmer made it really personal to me.
Ayan ko na yung Alden. Talaga pa-busy ni Alden.
Yung pag-ibig sa akin as an ambassador for Magnolia is
Alden.
boiled down to the experiences and memories that I've had with the so the memories po that I had with the brand. And so parang that made the whole experience po being part of the Magnolia family worth it. And it full circle kasi parang right now po, I'm sure si Ate Juday and Yan as well. As ambassadors po for certain brands, we really chooses the brand na talagang we have a personal anecdote to it. That we can promote, that we can say good things about it without even memorizing anything from the script. I think that's the main purpose of being an ambassador. Yung meron kang masasabi na hindi put on, hindi dahil lang sa kontrata, hindi dahil sa talent bilang. It's really the experience, and that's what Magnolia was to me when I was an ambassador for BIC.
It's so heartwarming to hear from our ambassador.
Ayan sila Alden Richards, Marian Rivera, at Julian Santos. Just sa 100 years anniversary ng Magnolia ng bilang ambassador. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.